Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to track successfully contact form 7 submissions with Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. I have already installed Google Tag Manager, and inside Google Tag Manager, I have a Google Tag which activates my Google Analytics 4 tracking code. If you have no idea how to install Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager, then take a look at the description of the videos. I will giving the link. You can check it out. Then back to these videos. Now you can see the HTML code. This code is designed to keep looking for successful contact from 7 submission, and it will make the data available in the data layer. So copy the code and back to the Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and click the tag configuration sections and find out the custom HTML. And here we paste the code and triggering will be the all pages. So save it. So giving the tag name that is custom HTML contact form 7. Save it. Now we are go to the preview options and check out that our data layer is runnable for the contact form 7 or not. Then go to preview and connect with our website and go to our contact form 7 form. Here you can see our contact form 7 form, and here we're putting the dummy information, and subject will be the test and message will be the also test. Submit. The form is submitted. Now go back to the tag assistant. Here we can see that our CF7 submission event is working because we are putting custom HTML code to enable this contact form 7 in our data layer. Now we are go to the main task and back to the Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, and that will be the Google Analytics GA4 event. Here we putting the measurement ID. Where we find the measurement ID, we are go to the Google Analytics 4 and go to the admin sections, and in the data collection and modification sections, go to data stream and click our website, and here we see the measurement ID. Copy the ID and back to our Google Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID. See Google Tag font in the container. So here putting our event name. You can put the any custom event name as depends on you. In my case, I just put the contact from submission, and the triggering sections, click the trigger, new trigger, and that will be the custom event, and here we putting our event name which we are enable in our data layer. So go back to the Google Tag Assistant and copy the event name CF7 submissions and back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the event name. So now we putting the trigger name, that is event CF7 submission, and save the trigger. And finally we are giving a name of the tag, that is GA4 contact form 7. Save it. Our all process is done already. Now we go to the preview sections and check out that our contact form 7 tracking working perfectly or not. Then go to preview, continue, and go to our website. You can see on the right side our tag assistant are connected with our website. Now go to our desired contact form 7 form, and here we putting the information, paste, paste, and finally click the submit button. Our form is already submitted. Now go to the Google Tag Assistant. You can see that our GA4 contact form 7 tag is firing successfully. Now we are again check to the Google Analytics 4 sections. Our contact form 7 event is working or not. So Google Analytics 4 and go to the admin section and the data display sections. We are go to the debug view. Here you can see that our contact from submissions event is working perfectly. So finally, we are successfully tracking our contact from 7 with our Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. I will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.